Hey everybody, Death Monster here, and I'm with the newest version of Minecraft Pocket Edition. 0.9.5 alpha, and hold on, let's get, can you guys see alright? Here, I'm gonna back the camera up, hold on. Okay. So, when you make a new world, it's different. You click advanced, and you notice something different. World type. There's old, which is really boring. There's infinite, which has all caves, dungeons, all that new stuff, lava pits, all the good stuff you want. And they finally added super flat world, but it has to be on creative, which is bad. So I'm gonna go on the super flat world, create world. And wow, that loaded fast. Okay, so we go on our inventory thing. It's the same like the last inventory, but here, hold on, look. You can spawn in hostile monsters now. Not all of them, but what's new in here? They added emerald ore, endstone. They added colored clay, whatever that crap that is. They changed the birch wood, and now they call it logs. They added brand new crazy flowers. You can actually now make your own mushroom crap, and they added carpet. I don't know why they added and they call it end portal in Pocket Edition. They didn't even add Eye of Ender. Why have it? Because the only purpose it's used for is making the end portal. But if you don't have Eye of Ender, what's the point of using it? And if you're looking up on YouTube like blah blah like how to make end portal and Pocket Edition blah blah blah. It only works because they're using the computer version, which already had the Eye of Ender in there. As you can probably see here, they added raw beef only to feed your dogs. Because now you have dogs now, because you can spawn a wolf, and they have bones. And the feed, you can tame them with bones, but you can feed them with raw beef. Else did they add? Oh, okay. You guys are gonna be really happy about this. I don't know how to say this. They added Herobrine. Yes, they added Herobrine. You heard me right. They freaking added Herobrine. I'm not kidding. Here, hold on. I'm gonna show you. There are lots of seeds. They have to be all on infinite though. Oh, really? Only everything works, and all of the new stuff only works on infinite, like the new generator. There's a seed called. I probably write all this down. Wait, hold on. I don't remember. Hold on, back. I have one like this. When it's numbers, it shows up. Yeah, 3583. So that's one. Should probably write that down. 3583. There's also one called 0.7 point 0, and yes, it works in the newest update. Yeah, and all of them have to be on infinite. Remember this, people. That's one. I don't know any other ones. There's probably other ones. You should probably search on YouTube. Yeah, that is about it. Oh wait, there was something else that I didn't show you. Let's go back on the world. They added new trees. Oh, not jungle. Acacia, whatever. Leave in the comments what the heck that is. Acacia law, dark oak, and they had red sand, which I don't know. And then they added wooden planks for the new thing. Yeah. And yeah, that is pretty much it. They added that, like grass and fern. Oh yeah, what I didn't show you, bone meal. They added like more seeds and stuff. Bone meal. it doesn't do flowers anymore. It still does a little bit of flowers, but now it does grass and ferns and a little bit of flowers. And the blue flowers from the last update changed to the red flowers. So, yeah, I'm not going to show you Infinite Worlds because I'm out. But you should definitely check out Infinite Worlds. I had caves and all that stuff you've been waiting for. This is probably the biggest update. And yeah, so that is about it. Admin hack. Yeah, that is about it. And yeah, so see you guys in the next Minecraft video.